Today our topic is Books and Authors Part 2. These bits are useful to UPSC, SSC, RRB and other government examinations.
Please do subscribe my YouTube channel, like and share my videos.
Long Walk to Freedom is the autobiography of the given options are Abraham Lincoln, B. John F. Kennedy, C. Nelson Mandela, D. Kofi Annan. The correct answer is C. Nelson Mandela. Long Walk to Freedom is the autobiography of South African President Nelson Mandela. It was first published in 1994 by Little Brown and Co. The book profiles his early life, coming of age, education, and 27 years in prison. The famous book written by the scholar Al-Biruni is A. Kitab-ul-Hind, B. Hindustani, C. Al-Hindustani, D. Sher-e-Hind. The correct option is A. Kitab-ul-Hind. Al-Biruni is the author of Kitab-ul-Hind. It contains comments on Indian sciences, Hindu religious beliefs, customs, and social organization. Al-Biruni was a Persian author. He is considered one of the greatest authors of the medieval Islamic era, who wrote his autobiography by title Lessons Life Taught Me Unknowingly. The given options are A. Amitabh Bachchan, B. Anupam Kher, C. MS Dhoni, D. Shekhar Suman. The correct option is B. Anupam Kher. The book title Lessons Life Taught Me Unknowingly is an autobiography of Anupam Kher. The book includes some of the greatest lessons taught by his grandfather. Anupam Kher has been awarded Padma Shri and Padma Bhushan Award in 2004 and 2016 respectively. A Crusade Against Corruption is recently authored by the given options are A. Ranjan Gogoi, B. Deepak Mishra, C. Manohar Manoj, D. UK Sinha. The correct option is C. Manoj Manohar. Manohar Manoj authored the book A Crusade Against Corruption. The book is launched by Harivansh Narayan Singh at the Press Club of India in New Delhi. Manohar Manoj founded Bharat Parivartan Abhiyan in 2007. The Politics of Jugaad, the Coalition Handbook, is recently authored by A. Sabha Naqvi, B. Jairam Ramesh, C. Prashant Kishore, D. Ashok Khemka. The correct option is A. Sabha Naqvi. The book The Politics of Jugaad, the Coalition Handbook, is authored by Sabha Naqvi. It examines coalition government history in India to project possibility at the end of 2019 Lok Sabha election. Sabha Naqvi is one of the India's renowned journalists. Her other works are In Good Faith 2012, Capital Conquest 2015. Kadambari, the famous Sanskrit epic, was written by the given options are A. Kadam Kumari, B. Banbhatta, C. Shukracharya, D. Krishna Bhatta. The correct option is Banabhatta. Kadambari is a romantic novel in Sanskrit. It was composed by Banabhatta. He died before completing the novel. The incomplete novel was completed by his son Bhushan Bhatta. It is one of the earliest novels in the world. The book Indian Physical Federalism is authored by the given options are A. Raghuram Rajan, B. Urjit Patel and Viral Acharya, C. S. Subbarao, D. Y.V. Reddy and G.R. Reddy. The correct option is D. Y.V. Reddy and G.R. Reddy. The book Indian Physical Federalism is authored by Y.V. Reddy and G.R. Reddy. This book gives an integrated view of all major developments in the area of physical federalism with a historical perspective. Y.V. Reddy was Chairman 14th Finance Commission and Governor Reserve Bank of India. The book The Future of Capitalism is written by the given options are A. Amorta Wells, B. Michael Burgess, C. Paul Collier, D. Warren Buffett. The correct option is C. Paul Collier. Paul Collier wrote the book The Future of Capitalism. Paul Collier is one of the most influential economists and serves as the director of International Growth Center. In this book, Collier suggests two types of reform in capitalism, ethical and technical. Who is the author of book Politics of Opportunism? The given options are A. Shashi Tharoor, B. S. Gurumurthy, C. Jairam Ramesh, D. R.P.N. Singh. The correct option is D. R.P.N. Singh. R.P.N. Singh authored the book Politics of Opportunism. S. Gurumurthy recently released this book in New Delhi. This book deals with interesting literature of regional parties, center-state relations, and politics on opportunity in India. R.N.P. Singh is a former IB officer and also honored with coveted President's Police Medal and Indian Police Medal. Who is the author of the book Rajataringini? The given options are A. Somadeva, B. Kalidasa, C. Banabhatta, D. Kalhana. The correct option is D. Kalhana. Kalhan was son of a Kashmiri minister Karpaka. He was most probably a Brahmin who wrote the Rajataringini. Kalhan's father Karpaka is speculated to have served as Dwarpati with the King Harsha of the Lohra dynasty. The autobiography of which freedom fighter is titled Atmakatha, which he wrote during his prison time in Bankipore jail in Patna. The given options are A. Rajendra Prasad, B. Ram Manohar Lohia, C. Lal Bahadur Shastri, D. Jay Prakash Narayan. The given option A is correct, Rajendra Prasad. The autobiography titled Atmakatha wrote by Rajendra Prasad during his 3 years prison term in Bankipore jail in Patna. Rajendra Prasad was the first president of India in office from 1950 to 1962. If you like the video, please do subscribe my YouTube channel and share with your friends, like and comment about my video. Thank you.